big top time here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular car, 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner convertible. Canadian-built car, Oakville, Ontario. Nicely equipped. We'd have the 292 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission and overdrive. Now it does have power steering and power brakes, which would have been the Swift Sure power brakes. Advertised by Ford. Color on this car is considered carousel red, raven black, and you can see the paint shows well, chrome up front, also in nice shape. It is black, obviously a portion of the car, so you may find a little imperfection here or there, a touch up, but overall this car shows very well. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the wide white wall radials. Ford spoked wheel covers. Of course you're going to see the Thunderbird V8 emblem up here. And that is the 292 cubic inch V8, as stated earlier. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this car has been nicely restored, panels nice and straight, bright work down the belt line of the car, also in nice shape, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, any sort of major imperfections up and down that passenger side. Fender skirts. You will be able to see the car pictured with and without fender skirts in the still pics. Power convertible top, matching carousel red and raven black interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. I'm also going to show you the power top going up and down so we can check out the condition of that, see how it works. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see from the rear to the front how straight and nice those panels are. Continental kit on the rear. Dual exhaust exiting through the chrome rear bumper, and you can see chrome in that bumper, nice shape. Continental kit with this spoked wheel cover. Looks good. And again, those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Parade boot or convertible top cover. Vinyl snaps on, fits nicely. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these mid-50s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And of course, you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. Again, up and down that driver's side, very similar to the passenger side, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Bright work, nice shape up and down the driver's side. Fender skirt intact. Those fit nice and tight. I put them on myself. All right, interior, really free of any major rips, tears, holes. Again, very nice restoration job on this car. Take a look at the underside pics. Very clean, tidy on the underside of the car too. Door panel, very nice shape. And again, 3-speed manual transmission. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this fired up for us. I also noticed clock's working. Make sure we're in neutral. I'm going to let that radio warm up. I had that working a little earlier too. Switch for overdrive. So 3-speed manual with overdrive. Takes just a little bit for that radio to warm up. Padded dash. Also good shape. All right, you can hear a little static from the radio coming.
Your vision may be impaired after an eye injection or exam. Don't delay. Ask your doctor about...
Pretty cool. The AM radio working. Paint on the dash, nice shape. Again, power convertible top. Power switches right here. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Sounds good. A little bit of rumble coming out of that V8. Nothing crazy over the top. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open. Let's take a peek at this engine bay. Then we're going to check out the convertible top. And remember, stick around to the very end of this video. And Jason's going to take this car for a drive, kind of take it for a virtual ride, if you will. Show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood popped. There's that Thunderbird V8, 292 cubic inches. And again, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. This is a 12-volt system. And again, nicely restored. Oil bath, air cleaner. Looking pretty stock underneath that hood also. Be a nice one for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Be a fun car to show. I think this one will bring home some trophies, no doubt about that. I want to mention too, there is air shocks on the rear of this car, so you can change the ride height on the rear of it slightly, so give you a heads up about that. Let me go ahead and get the tripod set up, and we'll check out this convertible top. There we go, convertible top up. As you can see, nice tight fit above that windshield. Power top works as it should. Also rolled the side glass up for us so we can get a good look at that. So black vinyl. Appears that it has been replaced not too long ago. Very nice shape. What you'd expect, judging by the rest of the car. Clear rear window. And around to the passenger side. No rips, tears, holes in the top. Side glass, nice fit. Power portion works as it should. If you need it to keep you dry, keep you out of the sun, it's going to work just fine, no doubt about that. All right, let me show you it going back down. And then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner convertible. Call us. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1956 Ford Sunliner. in some excellent colors. This is a 3 on the tree manual transmission. Let's let the radio warm up.
It helps this entire offense, right?
Radio's working.
Because 100%. So it probably does start with Rudy, but I
What a great sound this car has. Kind of like a glass pack, I'm thinking. That would be a style of muffler. The fuel gauge is showing half full. The speedometer's working. We have a clock that is counting the seconds right there. Wipers do move. The blower blows air as it should. It's a very comfortable car. Factory horn working. Did I mention this is a convertible? We do have the top up today. A very iconic car, this Ford, and in a convertible, no less. It really has one of those exhausts you want to play with. You just want to keep touching the throttle so you can hear it. Brakes are working. Brakes work very well. You want to push them gently. I'll be in second going through the roundabout. Easy to steer. Very good power steering. Very nice Ford. You definitely want to look at all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.